Grease and burnt-on residue in your oven will disappear faster than you think. No expensive chemicals or scraping needed. When your oven is in terrible condition and you don't know where to start, try this simple method. Prepare some baking soda. It neutralizes odors, dissolves grease, and helps lift burnt-on grime. Sprinkle it evenly over the entire glass surface to create a cleaning layer. Next, take dish soap and gently drizzle it over the baking soda. Dish soap cuts through grease and breaks down built-up residue. When everything is ready, add vinegar and pour it over the mixture. Vinegar's descaling and antibacterial properties cause it to foam intensely when combined with baking soda. Watch how the chemical reaction lifts dirt and loosens it from the surface. The mixture gets to work, dissolving even old, stubborn burns. Finally, sprinkle salt over the whole surface. Salt acts like a natural scrub, increasing friction and helping clean stubborn spots. Using a brush, scrub the oven in circular motions. When finished, wipe the surface with a paper towel. The results are visible immediately. Your oven will shine like new. This is how you clean oven trays. If your trays are heavily burned, this trick will definitely help. For a quick and easy clean, grab some aluminum foil, tear off a piece and crumple it into a ball. Next, take a lemon and squeeze the juice directly onto the tray. Lemon juice has a whitening effect and helps dissolve grease. Then, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda effectively removes stains due to its abrasive properties. You'll notice the mixture start to foam. Now, gently scrub the surface using the aluminum foil ball. It will help lift off burned food residues. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel, and you're done. Your oven tray will shine and look like new. Lemon juice and baking soda make the perfect natural cleaning solution for tough stains, especially on baking trays. This mixture not only removes burnt-on grime, but also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key, because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way.